guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I am here with a new video and a little bit of a different video, of course. Not a mukbang today, but we're doing a hair video, a hair review. And a lot of people ask about my hair or say, you know, wonder what am I wearing, how do I style it, and different things like that. So I like to do hair videos here and there to show you what I get or how I do it. And this is the Bilow, and it is from Vanessa. I hope you can see that. And she is in a number 2. It's something like a semi ponytail or something like that. You know, it's half up and then of course cascading down. It is a curly wig and or ponytail, and it has a drawstring and a bundle wrap. And there it is. Like I said, it's in a number 2. It does not say that it's heat safe or anything, and you wouldn't need to curl it because it's already curled, already really wavy curly. And it looks so pretty. I fell in love with her when I was watching another video and had to order it. Well, no, I'm sorry, I did not order it. I got this from my local beauty supply, local wig store. And I loved it. I said, well, let me see what it'll do for Tracie. So I am going to get her all gussied up. I'm going to show you how I do it, and then show you the end results, and I'll be back. All right, to get started, what you're going to do is you're going to smooth up your hair into a top knot. And I use this Lotta Body. I use that. And then I also use the clear ice. And I also use the 24-hour edge tamer. That works well for me for keeping my hair slicked up. But for just my edges, I use just the clear ice and the 24-hour edge tamer. And I had a video for that a couple of weeks back, so go back and look for that. I'll try to even put the link in my description box below. But you can look back and see how to do your edges with these two. You must use the clear ice first, or whatever gel you're going to use. Use the gel first, and then your edge tamer on top of that. So remember, it has to be in that order. So go back and look at that video. So I'm going to get started by putting the Lotta Body on first, just to help, you know, pull it up. I'm going to brush it up, and I have my brush here, and also my little comb for the little fine areas, and my toothbrush to help smooth. And you're going to need a tie. Alright guys, I just took this out of the package. So here is the pretty little ponytail, and it is curly as you see. It's a yucky texture, so it looks very natural. It has a little sheen to it, but it doesn't look, you know, too shiny. It's like a matte shine, but it looks really good out of the pack. But it's a little too long for me. I don't want it super long, so I'm going to trim it. I have some scissors. So if you don't like your wigs long, but you like the style that you see the wig in, you can always trim it and cut it if you trust yourself. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to cut off about a good 3 inches. That's about 2.5, 3 inches. So I'm going to give that a cut. And when you cut, you want to do it on an angle. I am not a professional, so I'm not going to try to show you on camera. You can go to another video that shows you how to cut. You know, I'll just be doing this little homemade style, so I'm going to cut the way I cut. And I'm going to show you what it looks like when I come back. Okay, I changed my mind. I'm going to show you a little bit because I can hear folks out there. I didn't want to show you all because I know some of you like your wigs long. And this cutting is really not part of the styling video, but I will show you what I do. So you're just going to, at an angle, hold your scissors. And because it's curly, you almost can't go wrong. If it was a straight wig and you didn't know how to cut, you'd have to go and definitely look at another video. But all you do is kind of angle your scissors and it comes out pretty good like that. And you still have the pretty bounce. You know, you really can't tell. There's no if there's any jagged edges, you just snip them off. You still got that curl at the bottom. So it's pretty easy with a curly wig. As you can see, I went ahead and did my edges. I like to do my edges first. And as I mentioned before, Bilow comes with this little bundle wrap so that you can, and it's attached on the inside of the ponytail. That way you can wrap your hair and the ponytail all together so it all looks like one. And I'll try to show you what I'm talking about. It helps to make the ponytail look one with your hair. And then some people also, before they put this on, they kind of stack their hair as high as they can go. You can make your hair look as high or low as you want to. You can add a little scrunchie or something up under here, you know, add it onto your own hair before you put this on and kind of heighten it like that. Or you can just, you know, put your hair up in a normal little ponytail and then wrap this Bilow wrap around. I'm going to go ahead and get it secure with the ponytail combs that are in the inside. And it has a little drawstring up under there, and you just pull the drawstring to tighten it and tuck it up under where your natural hair is. Here is the little bundle wrap right here that I kept out. And what I'm going to do is swing my head back. So you want to wrap it. And get that little wrap around there. And do it like so. And you tuck it up under there. And you take a bobby pin and secure it. Okay, and you let the ponytail just kind of fall. Or of course you need to manipulate it to style it how you like it. I think that looks cute like that. I'm going to play around with it and get it exactly how I want it, and I'll come back and show you. And here's the end result, you guys. I'll try to give you a better look in a second. Here's the back. I really like her. I really like Miss Bilow. So she came out really cute. It's a little long in the back for my taste, but I may trim it, or I just may try to get used to it and leave it like this. I've had my hair longer like this before, although I like it a little shorter, but I might leave it like this. So it came out cute. You can wear it however you want to style it. I like it like this. You can even pull it back off your shoulders and style it like that. So yeah, she's really cute. So this is the back, you guys. This is the side. And this is the other side. And again, that is Bilow from Vanessa. And I have her in a number 2. So, all right, you guys, if you have any questions, just put them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. Oh, if you are new here, please subscribe, like this video, share this video on your social media. I would love for you to do that. Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter. And I'll see you guys right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.